Oh my gosh! I got my first webcam. Um, it's a pretty good webcam. I can see the recording right here on my computer. And it's pretty clear. Wow, I love it. I think I might be able to do screen like record here and record there. You know, like I'm not sure though. I'll be testing out, and wow, I love this. I love it. Hey guys, me 99 Goober Gaming here, and today we are playing Operate Now. I got an idea for playing this from watching a video. But if you are squeamish, don't recommend watching this video. But I'm doing it, so let's operate. Do not try this at home. Well, duh. Meet Tara. Tara was brought to the hospital because of a severe stomachache. She may have appendicitis. Okay, wow. Which is possibly life-threatening condition. You need to examine her, and depending on your diagnosis, we may need to take her to the operating room. Oh, okay. We will first check if the patient is experiencing pain due to inflation of the appendix or appendicitis. Oh, as it is called, yeah. Okay, so the appendix, like, isn't it, like, around here? Oh, it's right there. I got it on the first try. First pick up the tourniquet to wrap it around the patient's arm. Tourniquet. And boom. Good. Now tap the forearm a couple of times to make the vein more visible. Oh, wow. Just click that stuff. Great, the vein is clearly visible. Let's disinfect the area now. First, select the tongs. Cotton ball. Okay. Oh. Oh, is that... Boom. Good. Yeah. Okay. Now that the area is clean, you can pick up the needle and carefully insert it into the patient's arm. Okay. I've gotten needles in my arm. I hate needles, but they just like even needles that aren't that big. It feels so weird because it's something going in your arm, like, or whatever. Like it could be other stuff. Like you can get needles in your thighs. My grandma's had to get those. Apply a Band-Aid. Aw, you got a boo-boo. You got a boo-boo. But just... Quite professional. Very good. Now we can check the patient's blood for appendicitis. We will now examine the patient's blood for an increase in white blood cells. White blood cells protect the body from harmful outside influences. If there is an increase in white blood cells, it might be an indication that there is a dangerous inflammation in the body. No more than 8 white blood cells should be visible in the microscope. Please check the white blood cell count and tell me if it is normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's normal. No, it's too high. Way too high. Okay. I didn't read that. Since there is a high possibility that our patient is suffering from an inflamed appendix, we will surgically remove it today. Okay. Let's start the surgery. Please get the scalpel. Scalpel. Boom. Oh my gosh. No, really? No, very good. Now pick up the retractors. They will keep the incision open. Now I'm just gonna rush, cause there. Good. Use the scalpel to cut the fat layer. That's what fat looks like. Well, it's a cartoon, but leave me alone. Tongs. Oh, cloth? I'm not exactly looking at it, which is actually bad, but I'm just guessing. Oh, cauterizer. Cauterizer, not cauterizer. Come on. Great, the bleeding has stopped. Grab the scalpel. Scalpel. Okay. You hardly did anything. Great, pick up the scissors. Scissors? Oh, that looked like scissors. Boom. Oh my gosh, that's just, no. Oh. The muscles. Pick up the scissors. I'm not gonna mistake the tweezers again. Okay. What? Holy! The muscle layer has successfully been opened. Grab another pair of retractors. Put one little there and one little there. And get that. Oh, boom! Okay. You need to be extra careful when cutting the next layer. Directly under it lie the intestines. If not carefully cut, you could puncture the patient's bowels. Oh, yucky. And this is where like all the poop is. Pick up a pair of tweezers so we can lift the tweezers. Okay. Tweezers. Okay. More tweezers. Great. Take out the scissors and make a small cut. Just a little small cut. Oh, yeah. That's a small cut. Open it with your fingers. Ugh. We are now going to pull the appendix out of the patient's body, so we can treat it. That's your intestine. Is that the appendix? That's an appendix? It's so small. What? Why is it so small? No wonder it's useless. Tweezers. I don't really like look at what she says. All I really do is just see what I need. Tweezers. Okay. Okay. Take a pair of scissors and cut the tissue just above the tweezers. Scalpel? Scissors. Boom. Needle? Why do we need the needle? We just cut that. Okay, whatever. Nice work, doctor. Now remove the tweezers and clamp them on the other side of the appendix. Oh, give him the clamps. Scalpel. Boom. Oh, it's gone? What do we need? Needle. Okay. Come on. Boom. Okay. Oh, what? Take that off. I wonder why they just don't, why do they do that only if you have appendicitis? Why not just take it out. Pick up the needle, doctor. Needle. Oh, we're not just gonna, we're just gonna do all the layers. Okay. It's gonna be very, very uncomfortable to get those out, because, you know, it went through your muscle. Great, put a patch. Oh, it's a big patch. Actually, oh, you play hard mode? No. No. Wow, guys. Jeez. And we have quite a long more time to go. Should I make it longer? Sure. Why not? I'll see you guys when I get another one. Okay, guys, I changed my mind. I have some people coming over, and they're coming over really soon. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. I think you guys will like this. I don't really know. But I'll see you in the next episode. Like and subscribe. Bye.